The COVID-19 pandemic's far-reaching effects still looming large, deepening our country's housing crisis. Experts call it the most severe public health emergency in a century, causing large spikes in evictions and homelessness.
The fact that it's still happening is a problem.
Litigation director of the Virginia Poverty Law Center, Stephen Fishback, says they're tracking the trends. A recent report by the Princeton Eviction Lab reveals landlords in 27 U.S. cities, including Richmond, have filed more than 151,000 evictions during the pandemic, despite a CDC moratorium.
There is a moratorium on the issuance of writs of eviction, which is the piece of paper that allows a sheriff to actually physically remove you. But eviction cases are still getting heard and judgments are still being rendered by judges.
When the CDC moratorium ends December 31st in Virginia, there will be additional help for tenants beyond the first of the year in terms of restrictions on evictions. The Princeton Eviction Lab highlights 23 filings in Richmond last week. Since March, more than 4,800. Fishback says his organization tracks the number of eviction hearings because it takes a hearing to evict someone. He acknowledges that October 2020 saw more than 6,000 less evictions than the year before.
Although the numbers are still less, I mean, the fact that, that there in October were over 10,000 evictions being heard, reflects that, we still got a problem here. And there's been some recent research indicating that states that have, lifted eviction moratoriums, that the lifting contributed to the spread of the disease. Is that the consequences of eviction are much worse now because of the pandemic.
Tenants should continue to apply for the Virginia Rent and Mortgage Relief Program and attend any court proceedings that are required of them. If you need legal assistance, you can contact the Eviction Legal Helpline at 1-833-NO-EVICT. Working for you, I'm Shelby Brown, CBS 6 News.